So the question is, A starts at 11 a.m. and travels at a speed of 4 km per hour. B starts at 1 p.m. and travels at 1 km per hour for the first hour and 2 km per hour for the next hour, and so on. At what time will they meet each other? So this is a quantitative aptitude question on speed, time, distance, and more of logical reasoning is also there. Many of the students are giving the answers that they can't meet because the direction is not given. So starting point is also not given. Now, whenever you get questions like this, when they ask you where will they meet each other, when the direction is not given, it is your duty to make them meet. And it says that A starts at 11 o'clock, B starts at 1 o'clock, means it has to be presumed that they start at the same point and travel in the same direction. They start at the same point, travel in the same direction. Again, the options will help you to find out what exactly is the answer. And then one more thing which I want to explain in this question is, it is 1 for the first hour and 2 for the second hour, and so on. See, the default is always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. The default is always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in case the option does not show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they'll have to work out on 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 like that. So here what happens is, both of them are starting the same point. A is starting earlier at 11 o'clock and is starting at 4 km per hour. B starts at 1 o'clock and travels 1 km for the first hour, 2 for the second hour, 3 for the third hour, and so on. The question is, when will they meet? Now, A and B, I will do it like this for the purpose of understanding. A and B, see, 11 to 1, A will be travelling alone. 11 to 1, A will be travelling alone. He will be covering a distance of 8 kilometers. B has not yet started. B has not yet started. He is at the same point. He will have covered only 0 kilometers. Now 1 to 2, what will happen is, A will be covering 4 more kilometers. 8 plus 4 will be 12. He will have just started. He will be covering only 1 kilometer. Then 2 to 3, A will be 12 plus 4 will be 16. This will 1 plus 2 will be 3. Because first hour will be travelling 1 kilometer, 2 in the second next hour, then 3. Then 3 plus 3 will be 6 like that. 3 to 4, this will be going 16 plus 4 is 20. 3 plus 3 will be 6. 4 to 5, 24, here it will be 10. 5 to 6, it will be 28, here it will be 15. 6 to 7 will be 32, it will be 21. 7 to 8, 36, and it will be 28. 8 to 9, this will be 40 and he will be 36. And 9 to 10, here it will be 44 and this will be 45. Now you can observe that B is ahead of A. He has travelled more than what A has done between 9 and 10. Because at 9 o'clock he is behind A, at 10 o'clock he is ahead of A. So the answer should be somewhere between 9 and 10. The answer should be somewhere between 9 and 10. But you cannot give the answers between 9 and 10 because all the 4 options given in the paper was between 9 and 10. All the 4 options given in the paper was between 9 and 10. You should know how to find out the exact timings. You will have to know how to find out the exact timings. So what will happen is, relative velocity. So relative velocity is, the starting time should be same. The starting time should be same. Opposite direction is always plus, but same direction will always be minus. It will be higher velocity minus the lower velocity. So relative velocity, starting time should be same. Relative velocity, relative speed or relative velocity, whatever it is, relative speed, starting time should be same. Starting time should be same. Starting time should be same. And opposite direction, it is plus. Opposite direction, it is plus, and same direction will be higher speed minus lower speed. Higher speed minus lower speed. Higher speed minus lower speed will be relative speed. So what happens is, the higher speed fellow should be behind and the lower speed fellow should be ahead, then only they can meet. Higher speed fellow should be behind and the lower speed fellow should be ahead, then only they can meet. Now, at 9 o'clock, this fellow is 4 kilometers behind A and at 10 o'clock he is ahead of A. So he has to make up this 4 kilometers using his higher speed. So the distance to be covered is 40 minus 36. The distance to be covered is 4 kilometers. Just for the purpose of understanding, I am writing as 40 minus 36 divided by the relative speed. So here what happens is, he is traveling in this particular, is traveling at 9 kilometers per hour. In this particular hour, he is traveling at 9 kilometers per hour. I am converting into minutes, that is 9 kilometers in 60 minutes. 9 kilometers in 60 minutes. This fellow is as usual traveling only at 4 kilometers per hour. So the relative will be 960, 9 by 60 minus 4 by 60. So this will be equal to 60 will go up. 240 divided by 5 will be 48. So the answer is they will meet at 9:48 p.m. They will meet at 9:48 p.m. The answer is 9:48 p.m. Subscribe to my channel. I will be adding questions every now and then.